everybody, how are you? Welcome to watch our today's live show. And I am Vivian, and she's my partner Celine.
Hello everyone, my name is Celine.
Yes. And today we will introduce you our different models, LED sail-pin headlights and LED headlight bumps for many different vehicles, and like a bus and car, pickup, motorcycle, tractor, trucks, yes, and off-road. Exactly, many different vehicles can
install
yes,
our lights.
Yes, yes. And I think
yes, we will.
Before that, yes, I need to introduce our company firstly with the short profile. Okay. And our company, Foshan Tuff Plus Auto Lighting Corporation Limited, is a professional LED auto lighting manufacturer.
Yes.
Yes, in China with more than 15 years experience.
Yes.
And actually, it's the LED sail-pin headlight and the headlight bumps. We also have many different models, like the LED work light, light bar, and warning light, exactly. And also, we can provide the OEM and ODM service to our customers too. Yes. And actually, we already cooperating with many different brands in our domestic market now, like the Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, and the Dongfeng and Lexus. Yes, many different car brands. Yes. Okay, I think customer may very excited to want to see our products. Okay. So let me start to introduce them to you one by one.
Okay, Vivian.
Yes.
So first you want to introduce for 7-inch?
Yes, and first we will introduce the 7-inch. And for the 7-inch, we have 3 different design models. Yes. And we will show you one by one. Firstly, this one you can see, yes, with 2 projector and 2 reflector. Yes. And the similar one with this is also 2 projector and 2 reflector, but in the middle, it has the lighting guide to be the parking light, the precision light. Yes. And for these 2 models, actually, they can choose the chrome color, yes, for the surface, or the black color, yes. And except these 2, and it also have these new design models, yes, very fashion and different, yes, with the very special parking light in the middle, and the 2 side reflectors in the middle also have the projector. Okay, and also for this model, we have 2 colors for options for the surface. You can see the black color and the chrome one.
2 choice.
Yes. Okay. Yes. So then we will introduce them to you one by one now.
Okay.
First is this model.
It's
actually,
a classic model.
Yes, it's the classic model. We already sell several years. Very popular.
Yes.
Yes. Until now, it's still very hot selling. And for this model, it with 2 projector inside as the low beam, and the 2 reflector for 2 sides, and the projector work together. Yes, then to make the high beam. And so this model is a high-low beam version. And some customers may want to add the parking light and precision light version for this. Yes. So in this, we will add the actually parking light used by this 2 projector to make the lower illuminance to make the parking light. Yes.
So it has 3 functions.
Yes.
High beam, low beam, and the parking light.
Yes. And
we can call it indicate lighting.
Yes. And I need to tell you for this model, the low beam and is 40 watt. Yes. And the high beam is 80 watt. So it's very bright. Yes.
So which LED chips are you using for this model?
Yes. For this model, we use the original Crete LED chips.
Crete.
Yes.
Crete
the
brand.
10 watt. Yes. 10 watt each. With 8 pieces of 10 watt each. The Crete original Crete SML. The LED chip models.
The Crete brand is XML.
Yes.
10 watt LED.
Yes. Yes, so it's LED. With the perfect brightness.
It's very powerful.
Yes. And also, this model, we already get the EMA approved. Yeah, for the European market and the DOT and approved for the North American market.
Yeah, like USA
Yes.
and Canada market.
Yes, yes. You can see here have the E-mark logo.
Yes. For all of
and
our
the DOT
goods,
logo here.
Yes, for all of our goods, we got the official E-mark certificate and the DOT certificate. And also we will make the E-mark numbers on the PC lens.
Yes.
Yes, and also you can trace in the numbers on the official website.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. And for the material, I would like to introduce to you.
Yes.
First, for the PC lens.
Yes.
This lens is with the PC material, and the PC is the Macalon.
Brand is
Macalon 2647. Yes, the number from the Bayer plastic company in the Germany.
From the Germany company.
Yes, so it's very famous company.
Yes.
The materials is very good.
Yes.
Yes, and this PC is get hard coated with the UV protect. Yes, yes, it's
So
very
it's
hard.
very strong.
Yes, and already passed the temperature resistance and the weather testing. So you can see.
Why you need add the hardness for the PC lens?
You know, our headlights all installed in the front side of the car, you know? Yes. And they driving in the high rate, yes, is in the high speed, then it's very easy to have the stone or something scratch on it, then yes.
Shock.
Yes, so we need to make the hard coat, then we can better to protect it, don't have the scratch or damage it.
Understand.
Yes, and also you can see it's very clear, the lens. Yes, I show you here.
Transparent.
Yes, it's very transparent with the, you know, the PC material have the high light transmittance, yes, and the high refractive index. Yes, so it will be very good to transparent the light outside. Yes, you can see very, very clear.
So it is easily to transfer for the beam output.
Yes.
Because the PC lens is very clear.
Yes, yes. Okay. And all our LED headlights in here,
Yes.
the lens are used the PC materials. Yeah.
Not the PMA.
Yes.
PMMA.
And also you can see two projector inside.
Yes,
and this
you have
projector is the PMMA material. The PMMA is also very, very good for the light transmittance. So like a crystal, you can see. Yes. Very clear and transparent. Okay?
Yes, very nice.
Yes.
So for the low beam.
Yes, so I like it. Looks very beautiful.
Okay.
Okay. And two projectors inside.
For the low beam.
Yes, and also with the reflector in the two sides.
Then
Here
all
and
the
here.
projector and reflector light on, then it's for the high beam.
Yes, and the reflector, normally we will use the PC material also, and with the chrome coat. Yes, the chrome coat can make the light, reflective very good.
Okay.
Yes, very far away.
Yes, the reflector.
Yes, and also you can see this is the housing for this headlight. This housing.
What is the material for the housing?
Yes, this housing, the material is die casting aluminum, and the aluminum is ADC12. Yes, and this aluminum and not only can easy to process and make the different shade of the housing.
Yes.
Yes, you can make the many different special shade. Yes, very easily, but also have the very good heat dissipation. Yes. So you light up this lamp, it will be hot for the housing. So you need to use the good materials to do the very good heat dissipation. Yes.
Otherwise, the AD electronic parts will be easily burned.
Yeah. And for this housing,
Yes.
and the powder coat, we do it by ourselves.
Powder coating.
Yes, we have the workshop of the powder coating and also the die casting aluminum. We do it by ourselves to better control the quality.
Yes.
Yes, and you see this color, normally it's black color.
Yes.
And we do the powder coat by ourselves. So we can choose the different colors according customers' requirement.
So customer can choose different colors for the powder coating.
Yes, not only the black, but also other different colors like the white or the gray.
Okay.
Yes, we can do it according customers' requirement.
Okay.
So if customers have their special needs, special ideas, just call us. Okay, after that, and you can see there have the wiring. Yes,
wiring
with the connector.
Yes.
For this wiring,
Yes.
our material for this slip is the silicone rubber.
Silicone.
Yes, you know the silicone is very good for the high temperature resistance.
Yes.
Yes, so we use it to keep our good qualities for all our products. Yes, maybe some other factory will use the PVC instead of the silicone.
Yes.
But we never do this.
Yes, for the silicone, it can endure the heat up to the 200 centigrade.
Yes, yes. So we believe the quality is the most important thing.
Yes, also the connector is waterproof connector.
Yes. And you see here, the waterproof connector, H4 connector.
Yes.
And for this model, it's a high-low beam and with the parking light, you know. And normally, for the high-low beam, we will use the H4 connector. Yes. And if you have the parking light, we can add the wiring. Yes, the wiring, then you can connect to be the parking light. Okay. Yes. And for this, normally it's H4 connector, but some customers will ask different options. And because many different vehicles, their connector is different, like the H4, H13, or even 9004, 9007 for the high-low beam.
Yes.
So if customers have their special needs, special requirement
for the connector,
yes, they can contact us. We can change it, or we can add the converter to you, like the H4 convert to the H13. Wait a moment. I will find it to you.
So for this light, you have two connectors. With the lamp, you have the H4 connector.
Here.
Yes. With the lamp, you have the H4 connector, and then you will have extra the converter.
And this is the converter. Yes, from the H13. I mean, it's the H13 to be the H4. Yes. And for the original lamp, another lamp, the female connector is H13. Then we can use this male connector of H13 to convert to the
H4.
Yes, H4.
So for the international requirements of the connector, we also can offer. We have different converters.
Yes.
So that it can match different kind of vehicles or the different brand cars.
Yes. And and for the certificates, yes, I think customers may be very interested. Yeah. And first is the E-Mark ECR112 for the European market.
For the high-low beam.
Yes. And this model is ECR112, no matter for the left-hand drive, and also can for the right-hand drive.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Because some countries like the UK or the Japan or the Australia, they are using for the right-hand version.
Yes.
Or the Thailand.
Yes, and actually they also have many off-road vehicles like the Jeep Wrangler and Land Rover. Yes, they will use this kind of 7-inch. Yes. So they will need the different the right-hand drive version. Yes, we have both for choice, for options.
Yes, you have two choices, so it can fit for the different markets.
Yes.
And also, if a customer sell for the different Europe countries for the left-hand driving version or for the right-hand driving version countries, this design we can fit together.
Yes. And also, you can see here the DOT certificate approved. Yes. And this DOT certificate is approved for the North American market. Yes. For the USA and Canada. Yes. They can suitable. So this version is very hot selling, no matter for Europe or for the North America.
Yes. Vivian, I have a question. Because some customer will ask, maybe the Jeep Wrangler, the cars, the models is getting more and more. Yes, some customer is asking whether this design has the canvas about the flicker problems.
Yeah.
Yes.
And yes, you know the original vehicle will have the halogen lamp, and in their halogen lamp, and they in order to fit in their computer in the vehicles. Yes. But we change this instead of the LED. Yes. Then there will be make some difference. Yes. To the vehicles.
And warning.
So we know this and understand this. So we put the canvas.
Yes.
The code canceller inside into our design of the PCB.
Already built inside.
Yes, built
inside
the PCB.
Yes.
So it's already
built in.
Yes, cancel the problems.
Has a canvas.
Yes.
Okay. Very
good. So you cannot worry about this. Yes, and just try it.
Yes. Okay. Vivian, so let's show the beam pattern to our friends now. Okay.
I just forgot about it. Yes.
Okay.
We need to show you this very, very perfect beam pattern
from our goods, different with other companies' goods.
Okay. Wait a moment.
First, we will show you for the high beam. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait a moment.
Okay. Yes, you can see here
for the high beam.
The high beam. Yes. You can see the high beam. It looks very good. In the middle, it's very bright. Yes, the light is very focused. And you know, the function for the high beam is to make you look much faster than. Yes. So for the middle, the light is much brighter than you can see far away.
And from the lamp to the screen, now it's around 5 meters.
Yes. So you can see.
Yes, because this lamp, as Vivian already mentioned, it is made of the original Korea LED chips.
Yes.
For the high beam total, it has 80 watts.
Yes, 80 watts. Yeah. And for the original Korea LED chips, you can see the color temperature. Yes, it's the natural white color.
For the color temperature, normally we will do to 6,000 to 6,500 Kelvin.
Yes.
If you have different requirements for the color temperature, we also can do for you.
Yes.
Now we show for the low beam. Okay.
Okay.
Low beam.
Okay, you can see now. It's the no beam.
The left hand driving motion. It was very nice. The sharp cutting line. There's
the
no
left hand
glare. There's no glare and no.
It's the safe beam pattern. Yes. You can see it have the perfect cut off line. Yes. And from the dark to the bright have the perfect cut off line. And this beam pattern can make the driver have the safety driving because it knows the glare to the opposite driver when you drive turn on the road. But you can see it's very bright, more than 200% brighter at least than the original halogen lamp. Yes, so it can keep you see the road much more faster. Yes, and clearly. So when you turn on this on the light, it can give you the safety driving experience. Yes.
Okay. We see for the parking lot.
Okay.
Okay. For the parking lot. Parking lot also light for the middle projector.
Yes, for this model, the parking light also use this two projector and make it be lower brightness to make the parking light.
So it can have different function.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
And after this model, we develop a new one and add a different shape of the parking light. You can see here, it's also two projector and two reflector with the first one, but at the middle, like the U shape, this as the parking light. And this version also have black color and the chrome color. Yes, for the surface, 2 options. And first, you can see the parking light is with the very beautiful lighting guide.
Very nice, like the crystal.
Yes, yes. And also, in middle, 2 projectors can make the low beam.
Yes.
And the 2 projector and the 2 side reflectors together work together to make the high beam. Yes. And this version, we have the separate two different versions.
Yes.
One is specially for the Europe market to get the EMA approved,
yeah,
and
EMA
one is separately, specially
for the
North
American market.
Yes, North American market have the DOT approved.
Yes.
Yes.
So EMA version you have 2 color. Also DOT version you have 2 color, brown and black.
Yes.
Two choice.
And for the EMA version,
yes.
the European market, we also have the left-hand drive and right-hand drive 2 options for different customers and their different markets.
Yes.
Yes.
So it's very convenient for that customer who's selling for the different market.
Yes.
Yes.
And you can see here and have the lens, the EMAG logo, the ECE R112 and ECE R7, and also the ECE R10 of the EMC functions.
Yes.
Yes. And after we get the EMAG approved, we will engrave the EMAG logo on the lens. Yes. And also their numbers, so you can verify it on the official website.
Yes.
Yes.
So it is legally for install our lamp.
Yes. And also for this model,
yes.
Also the lens is PC, the
yes.
material is also the Macron 2647. Yes, also from the buyer, and
right.
Yes. So the materials is very good. Yeah, it's transparent and clear.
And
yes.
also the shape is curved, not the flat one.
Yes.
The curved one version will not left the waters or the snow on the lens.
Yeah. And also the housing, the
yes.
say die casting aluminum housing and the material ADC12. Yes, it's very good in the heat dispersion.
It's a pure material.
Yes, and also very easy, very good for the process and to make the different shade.
Yes.
Yes. And this housing is make it according the original headlamp. Yeah, so it's perfect built-in.
The size.
Yes, replace of the original halogen lamp.
Yes.
Yes.
That's same as a halogen.
Yes.
But it's aluminum alloy housing.
Yes. Yes. And also the wiring strip is also the silicone rubber. Yes. And you can see here, this the PG7
screw. This is high grade waterproof screw.
Yes. So our LED headlamp, the 7-inch headlamp, the first one and this model, they all pass the waterproof rate IP67. Yes. So also our normal connector for this model is H4.
Yes.
Yes.
For halogen.
Yeah, halogen. And if you have other connector need, you can tell us.
Yes.
Yes. And also with another wire to be the parking light, to connect the parking light.
Yes.
Yes. And for this model, the EMA approved, and they have the left-hand drive and right-hand drive.
Yes.
So their beam pattern is different.
Yes.
Yes.
For the low beam.
Yes. So I think now a customer may want to see the beam pattern. Yes. To confirm, is it any different?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
We show. Also, this model, the LED chips is made by the original Korea LED chips.
Yes, the same LED chips and a piece of the 10 watt SML LED chips model. Yes, from the original Korea. Yes, the real Korea. And now you can see the high beam. And this model is the EMAG version, the ECR112. Yes.
This is the left hand or right hand version?
And it's the ECR112 for the 4-wheel vehicles. And so this version not only can use for the 4-wheel vehicle, but also can use for the motorcycle, the 2 wheels. But if you apply for the ECER 113, that you just only can use in the motorcycle. Yes.
Understand.
Yes. So this version, you not only can use for the 4 wheels vehicle, but also the 2 wheels, the motorcycles, you can use it too.
Okay.
Yes. You can see, yes, the high beam, the middle, yes, very bright, yeah, very focused, the light beam pattern.
Very
yes.
brightness.
Yes. Okay.
We show for the low beam.
Okay. Now you see, this is a low beam. Maybe you already see it's different from the first one. Yes. The first one is left-hand drive, but this one is right-hand drive.
Yes.
Yes. So the cut of light is different. Yes. But it also is the safe beam pattern. Yes. Also, no glassy to the opposite driver, and keep the driver have the safe driving experience. Yes. And you can see the light is very bright, much more brighter than the halogen lamp. Yes. So you turn on this lamp, use this lamp on your car. Yes. You can keep the road much more easy to be seen. Yes.
Now we show for the parking light.
Okay. Now show you the parking light. The parking light is not like the previous one. The previous one is with the 2 projectors. Yes. But this is with the U-shaped parking light. Yes, the lighting guide. Yes, very beautiful and fashion. Can you see? Okay. It looks very good.
Which color you can do for the parking light?
Actually, for the European market, they have the standard need that asks the parking light must be right color. Okay. But for some other markets, they don't need have the legal on the parking light color. Then we can use different colors for it, like the white, the blue, the red, and amber color.
Different color.
Yes, many different color options can try.
Okay.
Okay. And you know, this version have 2 surface color, and we can show you again the
for the DOT version.
Yes, the DOT version.
Okay.
Yes, and the DOT version is left-hand drive, and the beam pattern is a little different from the right-hand drive and from the European market. Okay, wait a moment. And now we will show you first the high beam. Okay. Okay, you can see the high beam. Actually, the lumens is same as the European market. Also very bright. The HV point, yes, very bright.
Okay, we show for the low beam.
Okay now. Okay, you can see this is the low beam, the safe beam pattern. It's the left-hand drive beam pattern. Yes, you must see the angle is a little different. Yes, not just left and right, but also the angle. The angle is a little different.
Yes. For the DOT version, for the ECER version, it's a little different for the beam pattern.
Yes.
Because they have different requirements for the different testing points.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So for the parking lot.
Thank you. Okay, I think you may already have comprehensive understanding for these several two models of the 7-inch. Yes.
Because Vivian, just now you mentioned that this model is available for the 2-wheelers, the cars or the jeeps. So it also can use for the motorcycle.
Yes.
So I think maybe like the Harley Davidson.
Yes, Harley Davidson, and many Harley Davidson and installed this 7-inch size.
Yes.
And we also have the brackets, especially for the Harley Davidson used. For this bracket, you can unassembling this first, and then put the lamp built in, fix in the middle
of this bracket.
Yes, and then screw them, to make it fit them, and installed in the front side the headlamp place.
Yes. If your customer buying our 7-inch, the lamps, you can also suggest your customer to buy this bracket from us. The bracket material is with the stainless steel 304 raw material, very high quality.
Okay, actually, we have 3 different design models for the 7-inch. We just introduced 2 versions, and now we will introduce the other one. You see this one? Very beautiful, very special.
Okay.
Yes, you can see.
Yes. Also 2 colors.
You can see all. And these 2 versions have the black color and the chrome color. Yes. And their middle is used for as the parking light, the position light.
Yes.
And
many customers say, this new design is very cool and very unique.
Yes. And I can introduce you one by one first. And for the parking light, we have 2 options. One is for the stable, just light up, and stable. And one is for the dynamic, it can move. And for the middle, the projector is to make the low beam.
Low beam only.
And 2 sides you can see have the reflector around the 2 sides. And the 2 sides reflector and the projector work together, then make the high beam. And this version, and it's DOT approved. And this DOT, is for the North American market. So it's legal on the USA and the Canada.
If customer from the Europe market wanted to like this design, we also can apply for the EMA certificate. Only make some different beam designs. We have very professional OEM and ODM engineer teams.
So you just tell us what your need, what's your requirements, then we can help you make it come true. Okay. And back to the product. First, the lamp. You can see, also same as the previous 2 models, the PC lamp with the Macalon 2647. From the Bayer Plastic Company in Germany. Very good the materials, and with the hard coat and UV protected, and already passed the high temperature resistance and weather testing.
Already do the test.
And also good in the light transmittance. It need to transmit out the light. Then it can make the lumens will be very good. And for the housing, the size is very similar with the first one because they need to fix in the different vehicles. So we make them similar.
So they can fit for the same vehicles like the cars, Jeep Wrangler,
so it can fit on most of the different vehicles. And for the you can see here, for this model is our new launch model, and here have the screw. This screw is the waterproof screw.
Waterproof.
And this the PG7 and screw. And this PG7 is for our waterproof IP67. And this screw we can do it to the the waterproof test before we install it screw in the screws, the bolts.
We will make the airtight test via this hole. Test if the inside is the waterproof. If the inside is waterproof enough, then we will seal this screw.
We have the machine. Set up the production standard for the waterproof. And then we will test it and see is it pass or NG. If this pass, then we can screw it. So we made a strict quality control for all our products.
Every goods in our company, we will do the strict quality control online and the final finished products. And also you can see, I may show you the certificate that IATF 16949, the certificate audit from our company, the quality control system. We already passed it and
we do all our products according to this strict quality system. Yes, the system. Okay, you can see.
IATF 16949
for the automotive industries.
Yes,
the strict quality control system.
Yes.
Yes, we already passed the audit every year.
Yes, we are making every of our design according to the OE standard,
yes.
the OE customer standard requirements.
Yes.
Like each part for the PC lens, for the housing, and also for the reflector and the projector.
Yes.
We also have the strict control for the incoming raw material quality control.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You already see it, right? Okay, let's back to the product.
Yes.
Okay. And also, the PC lens is same as the previous one.
Yes.
Also, for the projector, it's also same as last models.
PMMA.
The PMMA.
Yes.
The PMMA is very good for the transfer.
Yes. For the beam transfer.
Yes, yes. So it looks very clear. Yes. Like a crystal inside that to make the light output very perfectly.
Yes.
And the wire, also using the silicone, the rubber, yes, we believe the good quality is the first of the company to think about. Yes.
Because for the LED auto lighting, it is very important because every driver install our light on their car. Yes. Normally using the lighting is for the darkness night. Yes. If the light, the quality is not stable, it's very dangerous.
Yeah.
Yes. This is a kind of our, our rights or our, we need to do like this. Why Tuff Plus pay so many attentions about the quality control? Yes, we have more than 25 quality control colleagues for the online, for the SMT workshop, for the semi-product assembly workshop, also for the final finished product.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the essential part for producing the LED auto lighting, and also is our Tuff Plus responsibility for offering the stable quality goods for our customers and also for the final guest.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and you may see the connector is also the H4, and it's also the waterproof connector, and with the extra wiring, 2 wire pins to connect as the parking light, the precision light.
Yes, so that customer can connect with the H4 connector with the halo beam for your car. And also for the position light, it is separately designed. So you can connect this wire separately.
And some customer may like the position and the parking light, so they will need this extra wiring to connect the parking light. But some other customers may just want the halo beam only, so they cannot connect this in their car. Then they can make the halo beam.
Yes. For these models, just now we will say we have 2 different position lights. One is constant one, and one is dynamic one. Also, we can do the other version is without the parking light. Yes, this part only black color, only white color. Yes, only halo beam. Yes.
So if you are interested in this headlight, but have the different ideas for it, don't worry. Please contact us. Send the inquiry here.
We have the online sales teams. They will reply your message or the questions as soon as possible.
Okay. Send us your comments, your message. Okay. Then I think customers may be very interested to see what the parking light showed. You say it's stable and other is the dynamic. What's the dynamic? Maybe they want to know.
First, we will show for the constant.
It's constant one. Okay.
Still, we will show for the halo beam.
Halo beam first, please. Now you see our beam pattern.
This is DOT version.
For all of our LED steel beam headlight, the beam pattern is with a perfect cut off.
Parking
light.
Wait a moment.
Sorry, wait a moment. Okay, you can see the high beam. You can see in the middle, the HV point, very bright. It's very focused. You may see some other headlamps in the market. The high beam is very bright, very how to say, it's not
no focus.
Yes.
And also the dark area is very big.
Yes. But our
beam
beam pattern,
pattern,
you can see. Yes, the middle is very focused and with much more brightness.
Yes, the eyes you can see in front of your car. Every part is very bright.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then see the low beam. Yes.
Wait a moment.
Okay, you can see this is the low beam with the perfect cutoff line, the left-hand drive version. Yes, it's for the DOT version, the North American market. Yes. In North American market, they all use the left-hand drive version.
Yes.
Yes. So this model only have the left-hand drive version for the North American market.
Yes. We'll show you for the position line.
Yes. Okay. You can see? Okay. This is the position line, the parking line, the
constant
stable,
version.
yes, constant, stable parking line. Okay? Yes, okay, thank you. Okay. Okay.
I'll show you for the dynamic one.
Okay, now you can see. Oh, sorry.
Wait a moment.
Okay, see? You can see? Now it's moving. This is the dynamic model. Dynamic design. Yes. Very cool. Yes. Yes.
Many customers want to take this version to install on their Harley.
Yes, looks very cool, especially for their off-road vehicles. Yes.
So he gets the most coolest version, the headlights.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now our 3 different 7-inch models, the different designs are already introduced to you. Yes. And now we have the installation menu for our 7-inch here.
Yes.
And the color box of our 7-inch, we will have this kind of installation menu. Yes, to how to introduce how to install the lamp
correctly.
Yes.
And how to fix.
Yes, and also for our all 7-inch models, we will have the converter. Yes, from the H4 to H13 because normally for the drip wrangler, most models and with the H4 or the H13 connector.
Yes.
So in order to make them perfect
fitness,
yes, we make the converter from the H4 to be the H13 and pack it inside in the color box together. Then you can, no matter your vehicle is H4 connector or the H13 connector, then they can suitable.
Yes.
Yes.
Can fit.
Yes.
And this is
you can see the packing box.
Yes.
Now we show you. This is our natural color box, natural one. And customer if have their different design, their own brand design, you can tell us. Then we can make your own design to you. And inside have the foam protect.
Very thick foam.
Yes, very thick foam to protect the headlamp. Don't be damaged. Don't have any broken. You can put this lamp like this. Put in. You can see. Put in. Very, very suitable. Yes. And will never move.
Yes.
And then put the front and put the
cover.
Yes.
Fix the cover.
Okay. Yes. So you can see.
Very strong box.
Yes.
With foam inside.
Yes. And also have the many information to introduce our lamp on the box design.
Yes.
Yes. So don't hesitate. Contact us if you are interested in our 7-inch models. And no matter which models or you have any different ideas for the 7-inch model, then you can tell us. We can help you to make the OEM or ODM series, make the different design to develop it to make your idea come true.
Yes, because Tuff Plus is one of the earliest supplier in factory in China for producing the 7-inch Jeep Wrangler and Harley headlights.
Yes.
Yes. And also till now, our beam pattern is the most nice design and powerful beam pattern in China market.
Yes.
We insist to offer the stable quality for this light. Yes, using the real Korea LED chips. Yes.
Okay. So we think already finished the 7-inch.
Yes.
And do you have any other models you would like to introduce to customers?
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Vivian. Okay. Next, we want to introduce our friends about the truck vehicles or the different motorcycle vehicles. We want to introduce you about the rectangle for 4x6.
Oh, rectangle one.
Yeah.
It looks special.
Yes, for the 4x6 size.
Yes.
Yes.
Have 3 different versions.
Yes.
Yes, the 4x6 rectangle square one.
Yes, for the 4x6 versions, we have three different designs. One is halo beam version, and one is low beam, and one is high beam. Yes. Because for different vehicles, like the Peterbilt or for the Canvas, this kind of truck, very popular in the North American market. Yes, the headlights they are using mainly for the 4x6. Yes, and some trucks maybe need using only one hole, so they will need for the halo beam version.
Yes. And the two sides have 2 headlamps with the halo beam.
Yes.
And some vehicles, the truck maybe the low beam and the high beam are separated.
Yes.
Then you need to install 4 different headlamps inside of them, and 2 low beam, 2 high beam.
Yes. We have the separate version also. For the high beam only or for the low beam only.
Yes.
Also for these 3 models, you are already got for the DOT certificate.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see the DOT certificate number here.
Yes.
Yes. Can you see?
We already make it on the mold.
Okay.
So on the PC lens already have the DOT the marks.
Yes. All the products we got the certificate approved. Yes. We will integrate the logo, the certificate logo into our lens. Yes.
Also for these 3 lamps, we have two colors for each design.
Oh yes. You can see this the chrome one and the black one.
Yes.
Same as the 7-inch. Yes.
Most customers prefer for the black color.
But some maybe
cool.
would like to the chrome one because it looks like the original headlamp. Sometimes they will want them be looks like similar with the original one.
Yes, so that they have different kind of choice.
Yes.
Okay. So for these 4x6 models, already we mentioned that it's for the maybe for the Canvas or for the Peterbilt. Yeah, this kind of trucks. Also, it can fit for the agricultural vehicles.
Agricultural vehicles.
Yes, like the
tractors.
tractor. Yes, as a harvester.
Yes.
Like
and many different tractors, I think already use this similar size.
Yes.
Yes.
This is built in. Also this model, the screw is using for the waterproof screw and for the silicone cable. Yes. For the high beam version, the connector is H4. Yes. For the high beam and the low beam version, it is using for the international connector also. If you have stricter requirement for the connector, you can contact with us. Okay.
And you say this version, this 4x7 can fit for the Canvas.
Yes.
I certainly remember that for the 7-inch, the Canvas can also use this 7-inch.
Yes, there is new models published maybe 2019. For the Canvas. Yes, one model is also can fit for our 7-inch.
Yes, they sometimes will fit in 2 headlamp, 2 7-inch headlamp in the front side.
Yes.
Yes, very special.
Yes.
And also for this 7 headlamps, I forgot to tell the customer.
Yes.
Actually, it can fit not only for the off-road vehicle like the Jeep Wrangler and Land Rover Defender,
Yes.
and also can fit for the motorcycles, many different brands motorcycle, like the Harley Davidson,
Yes.
is very famous,
Yes.
and then also the Trump, the Royal Enfield, yes.
And different kind of markets, the wholesale motorcycles.
Yes, and also the off-road vehicle, like the Toyota Cruise.
Oh.
Yes, and you say the Hammer.
Yes, Hammer
Yes.
X2.
Yes. So
Yes.
many different vehicles, and also for some classic cars, I think also can install it.
A classic car.
Yes.
Some customers say for the workers wagon. Yes. Some maybe the very old, the traditional, the cars, the vehicles also can fit for our 7-inch headlights.
Yes. Yes. So the cameras not only can fit for 4x6 and also can fit this 7-inch, the different years, the models.
Yes.
Okay, please go on.
Yes. Here we want to let you know that currently we have the DOT version for this 4x6. Yes, but we also got some inquiries for our European market customer. Yes, they want us to develop for the EMARC versions, for the ECE versions. Yes, if you also have this kind of requirement, you can contact with us. Yes, you already see the former, the 3 designs. Yes, for the beam pattern, also with the EMARC versions. The beam output is very focused and powerful and bright. Yes. So we want to let you know that we have this kind of ability to develop the very high quality and bright EMARC versions for this lamp.
Yes.
Okay. Now
Okay. So can you show the beam pattern to the customers?
Yes. We show for the high-low beam version.
Oh yeah.
Okay?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Wait a moment. We show you the beam pattern.
Okay.
And now this is the DOT version, so it's the left-hand drive version. And if you have any different need for the right-hand drive version or for the EMARC certificate version, don't hesitate to contact us. Yes, we just develop the projector and the refractor, then we can make the beam pattern.
Version.
Yes, the ECE version.
Yeah, this is for the high beam for this 4x6.
Yes, you can see. Yes, this is 4x6. The size may be a little small, but you can see the high beam is still very bright. Yes, for the
and the distance we stand here to the screen is around 5 meters.
Yes.
Okay, we show for the low beam.
Yes. Okay, you can see it's the low beam, and it also have the perfect cut of light for the dark and the bright. Yes,
this is the safe beam for the DOT version.
Yes,
and driving version.
Yes, that's very great.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Okay. And this version, you can see also have 1 projector and 2 reflector.
Yes.
Yes. And the housing, yes, it looks very good.
This is waterproof design. Yes,
yes,
the waterproof and dust-proof standard is IP67.
Yes.
Yes. And the screw we are using is also very high quality stainless steel PG7.
Yeah.
Yes. We have we have the
you can
waterproof,
see the waterproof
test screw
here.
Yes.
Okay. And the connector is also the H4 normally. Yes. And if you have different requirement for the connector, don't worry to contact us like the H4, H13, 9004, 9007, many different connectors models for the high-low beam version.
Yes. Yes. And also, we want to let our friends know that for all of our headlamps, we can do the customer leather logo.
Yes. Use the laser engrave the logo on here, or any places that we can do it.
Using can stand up your logos.
Yes.
So that your customer can remember your logos.
Yes.
Because we are confident for our goods quality. If you make the logo on your goods, the customer will always remember your company, repeat the orders with you.
Yes.
Okay. This is 4x6.
Yes, 4x6
models. Next, we will come to another model is 5x7. Okay.
5x7 is larger than the previous one.
Yes.
Yes, you can see larger than the 4x6.
Yes, this is 4x6.
Yeah,
We have
yeah.
different version, high-low beam, high beam, and low,
Low
beam.
beam.
Two versions.
Yes.
Okay. And this is 5x7.
Yes.
We have one version is high-low beam.
Yes.
For the low beam, this lamp will light for this 3 projector.
Yes. The
Yes.
low beam, 3 projectors will light up.
Yes.
Turn on. And for the high beam, then
Yes.
no matter these 3 projectors will light up, also the 2 reflectors will light up, then work together to make the high beam. So also the power is very high, right?
Yes, the high beam power is 80 volts also.
Yes.
Very high.
Yes. And you can see the surface is the chrome one.
Yes.
Yes. Actually, and all our models of the LED
Also
headlights,
has a
no
black.
matter for the 7-inch or the 4x6, 5x7, they all have 2 color options
Yes,
of the
this kind
surface to choose.
Yes,
And
black
yes,
color.
the chrome one, the black one.
Yes.
You can choose the one you preferred. Yes. And also this model, I see the DOT certificate here.
Yes, this is the DOT approved version.
Yeah.
Also can use on road legally for the North American market, like the USA or for the Canada.
Yes.
And for this 4x7 models, this rectangle one, normally it also can fit for the truck. Yes, some truck they will need a smaller size, is 4x6. Some truck needs a bigger one, is
Yes.
5x7.
5x7.
Yes. Also, it can fit for the tractor. Yes.
Oh, yeah. Also, I see some motorcycles will also need these 5x7
Yes,
models,
yes.
like the Suzuki.
Yes.
Yes. And also, I remember the off-road, the Jeep.
Jeep Cherokee.
Yes, Cherokee, yes.
Cherokee.
It also use this, and we can show you the headlight assembly. Yes,
Yes.
the hole is same with this size. And you can install it with the original halogen bulb instead of our this LED version.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the original halogen, the whole size for the 5x7.
Yes.
Yes, we can change for our LED headlamp halo beam
Yes,
with
yes.
5x7.
Yes, we can use as the replacement.
Yes,
Yes,
replace it.
yes, to instead of the original halogen one, and to make the light much more brighter than the original one.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So we will test for the beam pattern.
Yes, and you see here, this model is high beam and low beam together.
Yes.
Yes, and with the H4 connector.
Yes.
And this
So the
version
housing will be much more thicker. And
Yes.
the heat sink is
is very best.
yes.
Yes,
So
and
it's
the
okay.
heat is very good.
Yes.
Yeah, and also use the die-casting aluminum.
Yes, this housing is also material same as the first 3 models.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So
we are
also the
using-
ADC12.
Yes,
it's
ADC12.
very good material.
Yes, it's pure. It's very pure raw material, so that not a recycled material, so that can conduct heat.
Yes.
Can conduct heat dissipation very well.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so that's why we can make it the power very high, the 80 watts.
Yes.
Okay, now I think customers would like to see the beam pattern.
Okay, we will
Okay.
light it.
Okay, we'll show you first the high beam. Okay, see, this is the high beam. Wow, it's very bright, and the color temperature is very pure.
Yes, it's
Yes.
like the noon light. It's
Yes.
also 6,000 to 6,500 Kelvin.
Yes.
So we show for the low beam.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, you can see this is low beam. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This headlamp is also very wide application for the truck.
Yes.
And I
For
don't
the
know if
truck?
the tractor also can use it or not, but the motorcycle can use it.
Yes, and
Yes.
also the Jeep Cherokee.
Yes, many different vehicles can also use this. And if you are interested or have any inquiries, any questions, please don't hesitate, send us comments here. Yes, or send the message to us, send the inquiry to us. Yes,
Our
we-
team,
yeah,
will reply you.
yeah, we have the support. Yes, can give you the reply very fast. Yes. Okay. And I think we already introduced how many different versions? 3 different? 7-inch, 4x6, and
Yes,
5x7?
Yes, already
Okay.
5 models.
Okay.
Yes.
And I think customers maybe want to know more about our company, because
Yes.
at first we just give the very short company introduction, and now we would like to give you much more introductions for our companies, let you to know more about us.
Okay.
Okay, please see the PowerPoint here.
Okay.
Okay, you can see?
Okay, camera, you can see here.
Okay.
First, we want to tell you that this is the output for the Tuff Plus. Yes, this is our Tuff Plus is our company name and also is our logo. Yes. For Tuff Plus, we established a company since 2004, and later we will show you for the our development process. Yes. For the Tuff Plus, for the first floor, this area is our showroom and also the reception part. Yes. And for this part is our warehouse, and inside is our workshop. Totally, we have the 9 workshops, and also we have 14 production lines. We will show you the details later. Okay. And until now, Tuff Plus is an OE supplier. We own the workshop for the 100% anti-static and dust-free areas. Yes. Here I want to show you the development cost of our Tuff Plus. Tuff Plus established since 2004, and till now we already have 15 years development. And during this development, we have got the IATF 16949, the audit, factory audit, and also we got ISO 9001 and SEDEX. Yes. For the ISO 9001 and also the SEDEX is normally pay much attention for the human rights. Yes. So not only we offering for the good quality goods to our customers, we also care about our workers and officer workers. Yes. And for the first time, we already mentioned that Tuff Plus is already an OE supplier. Yes. And in 2017, Tuff Plus has a very big upgrade. Yes. We established our anti-static and dust-free LED module workshop. Yes. Until now, for the LED module project, we already have customers for the domestic market and also the overseas market. For the domestic market, we have the customer like the Honda, Toyota, or the Southeast. Yes. Different projects we are handling very well. And also, for the 2018, we upgraded to the 100% for the anti-static and dust-free workshops. So it means the 9 workshops in Tuff Plus, they are 100 dust-free and anti-static. Yes. And for Tuff Plus, our mission, our goal is to offer in the world the first-class, the partners to be a first-class partners. And also we want to make the contribution to the future of the automotive lighting. Yes. And we mentioned already that Tuff Plus already got for the different factory audit. For the professional one, we have the IATF 16949. Yes. For this factory audit, the official department, we will make the audit every year. Yes. Not only you already got this rights, but also you need to ensure each year and each station you are according to this standard to offering the goods and also to have this kind of working environment. Yes. And for the human rights, we have got the ISO and also for the SEDEX audit already. Yes. For Tuff Plus goods, we have mentioned already about 5 designs. You know that most of our goods are with the EMA certificate for the Europe market and for the DOT for the for the North American market. Yes. For most of our goods, they are with the EMA certificate. This is the different EMA certificate for the different models. Yes. EMA certificate we got for the halo beam, for the position light, for the daytime running light, for the fog lights. Yes. And also for the parking lights. Yes. Okay. For the all of our designs, we are made design, also make the production by ourselves. Yes, for most of the designs of our new designs, we have got the patent, the design patent by ourselves. Yes, and till now, for the Tuff Plus customers, our main customer is from the European market. Yes, so most of our goods are with the EMA certificate already, and also we are very capable to develop the goods according to the EMA certificate, EMA standard. And for the rest market, the main market is from the North America, like the USA and the Canada market. Yes, and also we have some customers from the Brazil and also South America. Now Tuff Plus is paying more attention for the different markets. Yes. Don't worry for our experiences. Yes, we are working with very professional the laboratories, also engineer teams. Yes, we can offering with different standard goods like the EMA, DOT, or the AIS, or the CCC, or the GB standard. Yes, we hope that our market, our customer will be all around the world. Yes, next we want to show you that our production procedures. I already said that Tuff Plus already have 9 workshops and 14 production lines. Also, we have one very professional international standard, the laboratories. The laboratories is mainly for the optical and for the environmental testing. Yes, later we will show you one by one. For the productions, for Tuff Plus, first we will doing the raw material incoming products quality control. We can call it the IPQC department. Yes, we have very strict control for the raw material coming. After we check in the raw material, we will classify different raw material to our different workshops. Yes, for the whole goods, like the SMT, this is the core part for the LED light. Yes, we are doing for the electronic parts mounted by ourselves. We have our own SMT workshops. Later, we will show you the details, okay? Also, for the CNC cutting, this workshop is mainly produced for the LED light bar, the PC lens. As you know, the LED light bar has different size. The lens is doing by the CNC cutting. Yes, and also for the housing of the LED light bar, we also doing for the CNC cutting. After doing the housing and we need to for the housing, we need to do the die casting. Yes, this is our die casting aluminum housing. After doing the die casting for the housing, we are doing our own powder coating. Yes, we already mentioned for all the goods, powder coating doing by ourselves. Yes, if the every semi products already finished, we will doing the semi product inspection. Yes, this is the second time inspection after the IPQC. If the inspection the parts is good, then each assembly workshops will take the parts from our different workshops, like electronic parts workshop, or the different other cables or packings workshops, and then they will doing the assembly. After they finish the assembly, we have the online quality control inspections. Yes, we have the online QC to check the quality. And the goods is finished, we will doing the finished products inspection, like the waterproof, aging test, and also bin pattern test. Yes, as we have the hollow bin, we need to test if the goods still pass the ECE or pass the EMA DOT. Okay. After we doing the inspection for the finished goods in our assembly shop, then the goods will deliver to our packaging line. Yes. Packaging line also will do the final testing like the light up testing, also appearance inspection. If the PC lens is still okay, yes, no scratch, and then we will send the goods to our final warehouse. Yes. And next we will show you that is our IPQC department. Which kind of raw material we will do the test? First picture we will doing for the projector testing. Yes, we will put this projector on this lamp to test if the bin output is perfect. There's no any dust on the beside the projector. And this one is testing the projector to see if the beam can come inside very good, and also can check by our workers the projector is good. And this is for the box, for the packing check. And also we were doing for the cable testing, if the cable diameter or the diameter of for the current is okay. This is the copper wire, yes. And then we are doing for the final PC lens test inspection, yes. Next workshop is our very essential workshop, is our SMT workshop. SMT workshop main function is doing the electronic parts mounted on our blank PCB. We were buying the blank PCB from our exclusive suppliers. They were doing the PCB design according to our engineer directions. Yes, for this SMT workshop, totally we have 3 production lines. Our production lines are the 100% automatically working. Yes, for this workshop, we have very modern machines. First is our SPI machines. SPI machine main function is inspection for the solder pasting. Yes, first machine which will load the PCB on the machine. Then the machine we are doing the solder pasting printing. Before our factory is using workers to check the solder pasting. We found this is not good. The quality is very not stable. Yes, then we have the SPI machine to doing the solder pasting for different directions. This is a 3D SPI machine. After doing the SPI, we were doing for the electronic parts mounted in the different machine. And then we have the reflowing soldering machine to fix the electronic parts on the PCB with the solder pasting. Yes. After the PCB finished the electronic parts mounted, we have different inspections. First is the inspection for the appearance. Also, we have workers to check the electronic parts, like the current or the power for each PCB. And we will have the computer to record each PCB the lighting data. Yes. And also we have the professional AOI machine. AOI machine is testing for the optical design. Yes, this one we are to see different electronic parts is made according to our requirement. Yes, this is our SMT machine. After that, we have the die casting and CNC workshop for the aluminum alloy housing and also for the PC lens. Yes. This part we are doing by ourselves, and these workers work in Tuff more than 5 years already. Yes. After we're doing the die casting, we are doing the powder coating. This is different part for the powder coating. Yes, our powder coating environment is environmental friendly. Yes, it is the safe powder coating. Yes, we are using the high quality powder coating, also can fix the aluminum alloy housing better. Yes. Next, my colleague Vivian will show you for the different assembly workshops. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Celine.
You're welcome.
After before periods, the preparation of the SMT finished products like the housing of the die casting aluminum, the PCB, yes, and the wiring something. Then we put all these materials go into the assembling workshops to do the assembling. And now you can see there are our assembling workshops, and we have 4 different assembling workshops, like the LED steel beam headlight workshop, LED light workshop, LED light bar workshop, and also the LED headlight bumps workshop. And now, the first picture you can see, this is the assembling workshop for the LED headlight bumps. And we have 3 production lines for this workshop. And all the LED headlight bumps, we will do the assembling in this workshop, and after that we do the aging test. The aging test is 2 hours, and after the aging test, we will put the LED headlight bumps into the LED headlight bump warehouse. We have the special LED headlight bumps, and warehouse separate with other products. And when the customers want the LED headlight bulbs, then we can put it out for the packaging. Yes, so the LED headlight bulbs warehouse is also dust-free. And you can see here is the agent text machine, the automatic agent text machine for the LED headlight bulbs here. Yes, we do this and with 60 degrees and the voltage is 13.5 temperature. 13.5 voltage, yes, to do 2 hours agent text and to turn on and turn off and then turn on the LED headlamp with the several cycles. And after this LED headlight bulbs workshop, we'll go into this workshop is the LED steel beam headlight workshop. You can see here, have the rubber. We have the rubber here to automatically do the glue sealing, and also have the agent text. And all the agent text machines are automatically in our company. And the one cycle for the agent text is 2 hours. And also you can see two pictures are doing the agent text machine here. And the last picture, now the worker is doing the laser engrade. Yes, we have this machine to help the customer do the laser engrade in our products and to laser engrade their brand, different colors band. Okay. And after the LED headlight workshop, we also have the workshop for the LED module. Yes, this LED module workshop is mainly for our OE projects in our domestic market. And you can see, and in this LED module workshop, we have several agent text machine. Yes, also to doing the agent text and about 2 hours, and many different assembling machines to doing the assembling. And you can see here, this is our one model, the one sample of the module samples. Yes. And also, these two pictures are during the inspection. We have many different automatic inspection machines. After the product finish, we will do all the inspection, like the voltage, the current, one by one with them. And all the data, the inspection data will save in our computer. Yes. And then if you want to see which bands, what's the inspection result, then you can just check with our computer. Okay, please, and next one. And we will show you, and the module workshop, what's the main products we are produced now. Yes, the first is Dongfeng front fork lamp module, like this. And actually, and most of the module workshop's product is the semi-finished products. Yes, and you can see, and also the brake precision line module, and headlamp high beam module for the motorcycles, and also another high precision brake lamp module for the Southeast. We already have the deep cooperation with many different car OE factories, like the Dongfeng and Southeast, Toyota, Huayda, exactly. Yes, if you also have any OE series, OE projects, then please don't hesitate to contact us, that we can give you our best service and best ideas. And after the assembling workshop, we will send our products back to the warehouse and waiting them for the final inspection and the final packaging. Yes, and now you can see there are our packaging lines and the warehouse. The first line, 3 pictures are the packaging lines we are doing. Now is doing the package of the blankets. Yes. And the second line is the different warehouse. First is the warehouse for our LED headlight bulbs. You can see it's dust-free warehouse. Yes. And we have the foam to protect all our LED headlight bulbs. And the second one is our electronic components warehouse. And this warehouse also in our dust-free workshops. Because you know, the electronic components, we need to do the strict protection for them to avoid any damage. So they have the strict the temperature and the humidity requirements. So we need to make the special warehouse to install our electronic components, and also the PCB which finished from our SMT workshop we will need to put into this electronic component warehouse too. Yes, and also the warehouse of our finished products after package and inspection that will go into this to waiting the shipment. Okay, and after the packaging and finish the packaging and the inspection, and we will introduce you our professional laboratory. And you can see here our professional laboratory for the optical and the environmental testing. And first, for the optical testing, we have the beam test and the light distribution performance test. And there are one dark room with 25 meters long, and to have 2 cameras to catch the different data, the light output data, and catch it into our computer to automatically track they reach our standards we set up in the computer, like the ECE standard, the DOT standard, or the AIS standard. Yes, and also for the GB standard, many different standards in many markets we can reach it. And you can see the second one is the integrating selfie test. Yes, we can do the test, and for the different lumens, color temperatures, current, power, yes, and all the different information we can check it in here. And also we have, then for the optical test, we have the environmental test, yes, to check the housing, can it reach the strict environmental requirements. And first is EMC test. Second is the short spray test, ringing test for the IP65, and also we have another waterproof test for the IP67. We have the container with 1.2 meters high, then you can put the lamp inside and directly, and inside have the water, then you can test it, is it pass the waterproof test. And also the vibration test. Okay, and sorry, also high-low beam temperature test for the high beam storage, low beam storage, high beam operation, low beam operation, and the term temperature testing, the term shock testing. Yes, many different regarding temperature tests we can do it. Okay. And yes, after that, and we will introduce you our professional R&D department, our professional engineers. We have more than 30 engineers in our R&D department. You can see the electronic engineer, optical design engineer, structure, mechanical engineer, and the process engineer. And all our engineers can make the different designs according customers' needs, no matter for the ECE standard, USA standard, DOT standard, AIS standard, and others. Okay. And you can see this is our procedures for the OEM and ODM process.
Okay.
Yes. Consultant, then to the concept design and feasibility and production efficiency studies and simulation. And after that, to doing the line measuring, to prototype and doing the tooling development. And after that, to go to production and to do the quality control inspection.
Yes.
Okay. After that, you may see this is many photos here. There are our different teams. Yes, our professional marketing team and selling team, and also an R&D department team, and the biggest supporting our workers. Yes. Okay, now here you can see many different models of our different series products, like the LED headlight, driving light, LED headlight bulbs, and LED light bar, yes, work light, and running lights. And not only for these different models, we still can produce the LED headlight, fog light, indicator, rear light, and multifunction headlight assemblies. Yes, and if you have any OEM or ODM ideas, projects, that no matter for the headlamp, rear lamp, or the fog lamp, yes. And you just, it's the lamp, LED lamp for the vehicles. Don't hesitate to contact us. Send us the comments, send us the inquiry, then we can give you our best solution. Okay, then I think, yes, you already have much better note about our companies. Okay, then we go into back to our products.
Okay, thank you, Vivian.
Okay, please back to here, yeah.
Okay.
Or we go into introduce our different products. We still have many different product series.
Yes.
Yes.
Vivian, because before you said that our 7-inch can fit some of the motorcycles.
Yes.
Maybe like the Harley or the Royal Enfield. Yes. Here we want to take you another new models about LED module for the high-low beam version, the projector.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see. This is only the prototype sample. This is not mold samples. Okay. This is the this is
60 millimeter round.
With high-low beam.
Yes, the high-low beam module. You can see it's not finished and not like this. Have the full seal beam. So it's only the module.
This one is also with the LED driver.
Yes.
This is the driver.
Yes, and high beam, low beam. And the standard is the ECR 113 for the motorcycle used. Yes. And this model now is the Class B. Yes, and you also can choose the Class C, Class D.
Yes.
Yes, and the Class B and the Class C, and we will use the LED chips and low beam 6 watt and high beam 6 watt. And but if for the Class D, the LED chips will need to choose the low beam 9 watt and high beam 9 watt. Yes, because the Class D is used for the heavy vehicles. So it needs much more brightly, it's the illuminant for it.
Yes, can do brighter than this version. Now this version is for the Class C. We will light this headlamp for you.
Yes, and we have the driver here. And yes, you can see have 3 different wiring to the different functions. Yes.
Okay.
And also, this one is used the aluminum for the heat dissipation. Yes, and some customers maybe want it is very small, you know, and some customers may want it to be much more bright. The power need to be higher, and this how to do it? Maybe we
can do with fan version.
Yes,
with fan.
Add the fan inside, like the LED headlight bulbs. If with the fan inside, then your power can make much more brighter. Yes, the power can be higher. Yes. So have many different versions, different opticals.
Yes. We also can do this one with a single beam or with the dual beam. Single beam with high beam or low beam. Yes, two separate versions. And also this version is with high-low beam LED module.
Yes. Okay, we show you the beam pattern. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the ECR 113 for the motorcycle. So the beam pattern, the low beam is symmetrical.
Okay.
Sorry.
First, we will show you for the high beam.
Yeah. Okay, please see. Now is the high beam. Yes, you can see. The middle is very bright. And please show the low beam.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you see the low beam here. You may see the low beam is cutting line, perfect cutting line, very flat. Yes, it's the ECR 113 standard, and this standard, the beam pattern for the low beam is little bit symmetrical. Yes, now it's the symmetrical beam pattern. And this beam pattern, no matter you use in the left-hand drive country or the right-hand drive country, they can suitable. Yes. So some countries like the UK and Japan, and some different countries may need the right-hand drive, but this model don't have a difference for the left-hand drive and right-hand drive, so it all can suitable for them.
Yes, for this the bright area there is no any black dot. Yes, the beam pattern is very nice for each area.
Yes, you can see. Looks very beautiful.
Now this version is for the Class C version.
Yes. If you have other requirements for the ECR113, like the Class D version, you can contact us directly. Yes, we can change the LED chips to reach your standard.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. And you already see it. This is the module for our motorcycle used.
Yes.
And actually, we still have other versions.
For
the
the
5 inches, yes, also is for the motorcycle use.
Okay.
Yes.
You
Okay, I will
want to
show
introduce?
you one by one. Here you can see, this is the 5-inch model. This model, the standard is also ECR113, and yes, Class B, yes. And this model is also used by the motorcycles. You can see here have 2 lighting guides. Yes,
This is
very
for
beautiful
the-
lighting guide.
This is
Yeah,
for the parking
Yes,
light.
for the parking light. And the upside one have the projector. This projector, yes, is for the low beam. And the projector and the reflector work together to make the high beam. Yes. And okay, for this version, and actually the materials are similar with the previous one. The PC, the lens are also PC. The Macalon at 2647 from the Bayer plastic company in Germany. Yes. Yes. And the housing is also the die casting aluminum. Yes. And you can see this, the powder coating is much more smooth than the previous ones.
Very nice
yes.
powder coating.
Actually, we can do different powder coating.
This kind of
yes,
finish.
this is the normal one and this is the smooth one. You can see? Okay. Yes. And the same as silicone rubbers for the wiring sleeve. And for this model, our normal connector for it is the H13. Yes. And if you want another connector like the H4, yes, then we can just help you to change.
We have the converter connector.
Yes, yes. The first option is to use the converter to change it, and the other version is to change this directly.
Yes.
Yes. And this wire is used for the parking light.
Yes.
So now I think, and the customer want to see the beam pattern. Okay. Let's show it.
Wait a moment.
Okay.
We
Use
need
this.
the converter.
Yes.
First, I will
Okay.
show you for high beam.
Okay.
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment. Okay, try again.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, you see, now it's the low beam. It's very perfect cut of light. Yes, this is the symmetrical low beam pattern. This beam pattern is for the ECR113. Okay. Okay, see the high beam? Yes. Now you can see the high beam in the middle. It's very bright. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the parking light.
Parking light. Wait a moment.
Okay. And actually for this lamp, and it's
For the parking light.
especially for the motorcycle use. So for the voltage, normally we will make it 9 to 16 voltage. And other LED headlamps, and which can fit for the different vehicles, we normally will make 9 to 32 voltage, the DC voltage. Yes.
Yes, for the
So
car
it's a
and for the
little
truck.
different. Yes.
Yes, they can both use.
Only for motorcycle, the voltage is only 9 to 16.
Yes.
Yes, and other models is 9 to 32. Okay, and we also have another 2 versions, different versions for the 5-inch. This version is ECE R112. Yes, it's also European market, the ECE standard, but is R112, not R113. You know
Yes.
what's the difference?
Yes, the low beam. Low beam, you have left-hand driving version and
Right-hand driving.
Yes.
Yes, and this model and not only can use for the motorcycle, but also can use for the car, the four-wheels vehicles. Yes, so it's the difference.
Okay.
And this version, the LED chips is the Cree, original Cree, and you can see also have two color surface. Yes.
For the
Okay,
front
so
one,
if
back
you
one.
have the 5-inch headlight requirements,
You
please
can contact
contact
with
yes.
us.
Okay.
Okay.
Then I think
the motorcycle headlight
yes,
already
it's
finished.
Finished. Yes.
Next, we want to show you for the another models for the bus or for the tractors. Yes, for the different versions.
Well, it's 90 millimeter.
Yes.
Oh, inside the big projector. Looks very beautiful, very crystal.
Yes.
Yeah.
This 90 millimeter
Yeah.
versions. Here we have three different models.
Yeah.
First is with the high-low beam and
Yeah.
the position light.
Yeah.
Yes. And Vivian, this one is with high beam together with the parking light.
Oh,
Yes.
high beam and parking light together.
Yes. This is high-low beam and the parking light.
Oh, it's
Yes.
three different functions
Yes.
and these two different functions.
Yes. And this one is low beam only.
Yes.
Yes. And for the low beam, the versions, now we have the left-hand driving version. Yes. If you have the requirement for the right-hand drive version, yes, we can develop it for you. Also for these versions, all models will already have the EMA certificate.
Oh, yes. You can see the E-Mark logo here on our lens.
Yes.
All the products pass the EC standard review, make the E-Mark logo engraved on our lens.
Yes. R112 for the high-low beam.
Yes.
And R7 for the position light. And also we have the EMC certificate for the R10.
Yes.
Yes. And for this model, different with other suppliers, our goods first is already got the EMA certificate. Yes. And the other one is we have the LED chips we are using for the original Austrian LED chips. Yes. So the quality is much more stable.
Yes.
And also for this model, we have three versions. Yes, already the bigger one.
Yes.
Yes.
And also this model, I think their application is very wide.
Yes. First is using in the bus. Yes.
Yes.
Like the Volvo or the Marco Polo or the Western Star. Yes. Different countries, the popular bus are suitable for our headlamp.
Yes.
This 90 millimeter headlamps.
Yes.
Yes. And also like the A-yacht. Yes. Different models. Okay.
And also for the tractor.
Yes, for the tractor, we are available for the class or for the fence. Yes, the tractor or the harvester. Yes, and also we can use for the construction vehicles like the JCB brand. Yes, for the 90 millimeters.
Yes, it's very wide application.
Yes, and also the power for each model is very strong. For the high-low beam, we have the high beam for the 45 volts. Yes, for the low beam version, we have the 18 volts for this one. Yes. And for these models, you can see we are offering for the different screws. Yes. And the screw covers here. Yes. We have two versions. One is shorter one is smaller one. Yes. One is the longer one is the shorter one. Yes. So that it can fix on different
vehicles.
Yes. These models, the light guide is also very nice. For the high beam version, we have the automatically motor inside. This motor function is to change the high beam and the low beam automatically.
Yes.
Okay. For the 90 millimeter versions, we have some other customers said they want to make the headlight to fit more vehicles. Yes. So we develop for the economic versions, these two models. The body size is still the 90 millimeters, but the length is a little shorter than before. Yes, this length.
You can see.
And also these two models, we have the high beam with position light, and also low beam, two versions. Okay. For the body, because it is shorter than the former three models, so for this model, our customer say it can fit more vehicles. Yes, more widely using than the former 3 models.
Yeah.
Yes, and also it is EMARC approved.
Yes.
Okay. Mostly it's widely using for the tractor or for the harvester or for the combine. Yes, because now in the European market, the agricultural vehicles, the EMARC certificate now is needed also. Yes.
Yeah.
For the quality, it is shock and also impact resistance approved. Because during the outdoors like the construction or the agriculture vehicle using, the shock or the impact or the raining, yes, the condition is very quite often. Yeah. Yes, so for the housing is like our beginning introduction. The housing we are doing with the hardness for the two sides, also with the UV resistance. We already passed for the shock resistance and also for the high temperature testing. Yes. You can see for the housing, all are using for the die casting ADC12 raw material, and for the IP and dust rate, it is IP67.
Yes,
you can see, and also it can use in. And if you buy these models with us, we also offering for the full set screw and the screw cover.
Yeah.
Okay. And the cable we can do according to your requirements.
Yes.
Okay. Next, after the 90mm models, Vivian, do you have another models to take for us?
Yes. You know, Celine introduced the previous model, the 90mm, for the headlamp. Yes, the high beam, low beam, and for the parking light. And actually, there are also another 90mm very hot selling in the market, and it's used as the fog lamp.
Yes, fog lamp.
Yes, you can see we have 2 hot selling models of the 90mm, the fog lamp, and the fog lamp with the DRL, daytime running light function. So it's the multi-function together. And these 2 models are EMARC approved. You can see the EMARC on the lens. Yes, the ECE R19 for the fog lamp and the ECE R87 for the daytime running light. So it's can use legally on the European market.
Yes.
Yes, and actually for the models on my hand, here, this one.
Okay.
And it's the jute wrangler, especially for the jute wrangler used.
Because the size is 4" for this model.
And the bracket is different. Yes, the bracket is different and it's suitable for the jute wrangler. And many different years models of the jute wrangler can fix this, install this.
Yes.
Yes, you can see it has the adjusted screw. Yes. It can adjust the pin angles. Yes, up and down.
Okay.
And this model, you can see middle is with the projector, very crystal one. Yes, transparency, and the hollow. It is hollow side. Yes,
this is
for
maybe
the
some customer.
Daytime running.
Some customer will call this is angle eyes.
Yeah, angle eyes.
Yes.
Yes.
Angle eyes.
Yes. Okay. And this model, you can see.
Yes.
It's the different brackets. And this one is also ECE standard approved. And also the ECE R19 for the fog lamp and the ECE R87 for the daytime running light. But this version, because it has the different brackets, yes, so it can fit for more than 40 different vehicles.
The cars.
Yes, the different brand cars like the Toyota, Nissan, and Land Rover, Jakarta.
Suzuki.
Yes, Suzuki. Yes, many different models. The Ford, yes, can suitable.
Yes.
Yes.
More than 40 models cars.
Yes, the different cars can fit for this. Yes, as the fog lamp and also the daytime running light.
Okay.
And so maybe we can show the beam pattern.
So the beam pattern for this model?
For that model, I think it will be better.
For the Jeep Wrangler version.
Okay. Yes, for the Jeep Wrangler. Okay, wait a moment, please. We show you.
For this fog lights, we all are offering with the wire harness. and the wire harness, the cable, the extend cable, the length is 3 meters, so that it will be more easily for you to install the fog light on your car.
Okay, wait a moment. Okay. Now you can see it's the fog lamp pattern. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, it's two lamps together. Yes. Okay. After that, I show you the daytime running light. Okay, sorry.
Wait a moment for the daytime running light.
Okay.
Okay. You can see.
Okay. 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 That's very great. So if you are interested in our different 90 millimeters,
yes,
no matter the headlamp, the low beam, high beam, or with parking light, or our fog lamp, yes, our daytime running light, yes, contact us. Send us the comments, the inquiry. Yes, we were waiting for it.
Okay.
Okay. So after this, do you have any different models?
Yes, because we have many customers asking with us.
Yeah.
Do you have the LED headlight bulb? Yes.
Oh, yes, sure. Actually, we already produced the LED headlight bulb for many years. We have many years experience in the LED headlight bulbs, the different series, different models. Okay, here you see. This is the most hot sale model, the LED headlight bulb conversion kit. This version, you may see, yes, it's without fan, no fan cooling. But how we do the heat dissipation? We do the heat dissipation by the nature aluminum base here. Yes. This base can make the heat dissipation very good, and also for the different models, the LED headlamp models like the H3, H1, H7, we have the special design for it. We can separate the head of the LED chips and the base, yes, of the aluminum, the heat sink. We can separate them like it.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I show you. And this special design can make our LED headlamp bulbs much more easier to install in the many different vehicles. So this version can suitable for more than 99% different vehicles. Yes, you can see. After installed, then you can put this inside together to make it much more better. And you need to screw it very tightly.
So this one can have different the size.
Yes.
The longer one.
Yes.
Or the shorter one.
Yes.
So it can fit different cars.
Yes.
Okay. Vivian, do you have another models?
Yes. And actually, this series, and we need to introduce more to you. And first, it's the LED chips.
LED chip.
Yes. You can see the LED chips is from
which brand?
It's the CSP LED chips.
The chip mounted way is CSP.
Yes. And it's from the import from the South Korea. Yes, import from South Korea, and it's the 3 watt each. Yes, the solar Y19 model. Yes, the LED chips. And for this LED headlight model, we have we have a full series
for
the
different
models
different
like
cars.
the single bin H1, H3, H7, H11,
Yes.
and 9005, 9006, and
9012.
9012, yes, and H10,
Yes.
AA0,
Yes.
AA1, and also the
5202. Yes, 5202.
yes.
Or we can call it
Yes.
H16.
H16, H27, yes,
And
it's
the
for
H15.
H15 is a little special,
Yes.
and for the H15 it's only the single bin for the low bin or high bin, but it also have a small LED chips for the
Yes.
parking light, so
Okay.
it's a little different for this model. And for the two bin model, the high-low bin model, we also have
9004.
9004, 907,
907.
H4, and H13.
Yes.
So full set the different models we have. So if you are interested in this and want to pick the full models, please don't hesitate to contact us. Yes. And this model, the voltage, the power is 36 watts. Yes. And you may see it's no fan cooling, but the power is also very high, and the heat dissipation is very good for it. And if you install it into the headlamp assembly, it will be much more brightly than the original halogen.
Yes, our
Yes.
customer is asking what is the difference from the LED and the halogen bulbs.
Yes, yes, there are many difference. And for the original halogen,
Yes.
their color temperature is amber. Yes, very
Yes.
dim.
Yes.
And not say amber, but very yellow.
Yes.
But our LED headlight, you can choose the different color temperatures and make it nature white, cool
pure
white,
white.
pure
Pure
white.
white.
Yes, from the 6,000 to the 6,500 current. Yes,
and you can do the 5,700 Kelvin.
Yes, and also the halogen, and the power is very high, 55 watts. But
Yes.
the light beam pattern, the brightness is very dimmed.
Yes.
Very soft. But our LED can make the output much more than 150 brightness than the halogen.
Yes.
And also the LED chips is the cool light source.
Cool light source.
And yes, and if you turn on for a long time, you still cannot worry about, and it will make the cover being cannot make the cover being yellow and brittle.
You mean the lens?
Yes, but the
covering
halogen,
lens.
and when you turn on for a long time,
Yes.
and the cover will be
Turning yellow.
Yes,
Yeah,
and
it-
it looks like a fox inside.
It
Yes.
will harm to the cover.
Yes.
Okay.
And also, still have very important features for the LED chips. And the lifespan is more than
Yes,
50,000 hours. 50,000 hours.
50,000.
It means what? It means if you
more than 1 year is 300.
Yes, it's very long time use. But the halogen is only hundreds hours, I think. Yes. So that's the most difference by our LED headlight to the halogens.
Yes.
Yes. And also we have other models.
Yes.
No
This
matter-
one is fanless cooling model.
Yes,
Series.
yes, no fan cooling, and we also have the fan cooling models
Yes.
with fan inside the base. And this model, and the power can be much higher
Yes.
because they have the fan cooling to make the heat dissipation to be the
Very
best.
soon.
Yes.
And also the PCB, this model
yeah.
is using for the copper PCB.
Yes.
You can see it's copper color.
Okay.
The copper PCB can conduct the heat very soon, so the light also can be brighter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And also some customer mainly is asking us if we have this kind of the mini projector at home.
Yes.
Yes, we have these models with fan cooling. Yes, with the projector. For this model, the LED chips is also using for the seal LED chips, but the series is 122. Yes, one LED chips is around 6 volt. Yeah. Yes. So for the H4, the power is 60 volt. Not 60, sorry, 80. 80 watt. Yeah. Yes. It's very bright with halo beam and also with very sharp cutting line. Yes. You can see? Okay. And also for our LED bulbs, they are with LED drivers. Yes. You just plug and play in. Change your original halogen light.
Okay, maybe we can show it. The beam pattern? Yes.
Okay. Wait a moment. Okay. We show you for the high beam.
Okay, sorry.
Just one sample for you.
Through the beam pattern. Okay, you can see it's the low beam. Because inside it has the projector, so the beam pattern looks very good. Yes. Normally it's the left-hand drive, the safe beam pattern with the perfect cutting light.
Yes.
Yeah.
This model already has a project in front of the lamp, so it has a cutting line.
Yes. So this model normally will use into the original headlamp assembling of the refractor. Yes, because the refractor cannot make the beam pattern like this perfect cutting light. They cannot make it such perfect. So if you add a small projector and you install this lamp inside, then the beam pattern will be perfect like this. Okay. Yes. And also the light will be focused. Yes.
This
much
is
more brightly than the original halogen.
Yes.
Yes.
This is for the high beam.
Yes. You can see very bright. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And this the fan cooling version. And inside have the fan cooling. You can see inside have the fan cooling, so the power can be very high.
80 watts.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Vivian.
Yeah.
I have a question. I think our customer is very care about it. Is our lights the warranty, the guarantee?
Oh yes, the warranty. Yes. Okay, I tell you one by one.
Yes.
And first, you may see the LED steel beam headlight, 7-inch, 5-inch, 4x6, 5x7, right?
Yes.
And for this all LED steel beam headlight, our guarantee is for the customer normally is 2 years.
Oh,
yes.
2 years.
Yes, because we believe our quality. Yes. So we give the best quality warranty, the guarantee to our customers.
Yes.
Yes. So the customer cannot worry about the quality problems. And when they found the defected products,
goods.
yes, and they can check. Firstly, we have this tracking stick. Yes, this tracking stick have all the branch number, the tracking number for our production line. Yes, and after you found the products have the defected, and you can see this, send this number to us. We can check these lamps are still under the warranty, the guarantee or not. Yes. If they are still under the guarantee period, we will check your photos and videos. Yes, you can take some photos or videos to us to check what's the quality problems. Yes.
Then we will send you the free replacement.
Yes, our QC will check it and then give you the solution, the free batch within 7 days. Yes. If we confirm the problems, we will give you the free replacements. Yes, and in the next new order.
Okay.
And this is for the LED steel beam headlight. And for the LED headlight bulbs, we have different series LED headlight bulbs. For our most hot cell models, this model without fan cooling, yes, the warranty we give to the customer is 3 years.
3 years.
Yes, it's very long warranty. The guarantee is very long because and it's with the very stable quality design and no fan inside, and also the power is in the very bright but not so high the power. Yes, to make it installed in the car in the very stable quality. Yes, so all our LED headlight bulbs will pass the strict testing before we do the launch. So and we can have the confidence to give you a 3 years warranty for this series LED headlight bulbs.
Okay.
And for the fan cooling model, the warranty is 1 year. Yes. And it's also much better than the outside markets, because in our outside markets there are many different LED headlight bulbs, but there are no warranty, no any guarantee, yes, to the customers. But
we can offer for 1 year.
Yes, we can offer 1 year's warranty for you. So if you like the much more brighter, the power, higher power with fan cooling, yes, don't hesitate to contact us.
Okay.
Yes, and I think some customers maybe would like to see how our LED headlight bulbs installed into headlamp assembling. Yes.
Okay, we will show you.
Yeah.
Because our LED headlight bulbs, the size is designed same as the original halogen.
Yes. So you can see we test first the H1. H1 is now for this headlamp assembling.
For the low beam.
We have the low beam with the projector and the high beam with the reflector. And the low beam projector now is the H1 model. Yes. So now we install it H1 model for you to check. Okay, let's try. Wait a moment. And we install this model. This is our V6 model, and with the 5 watt each the LED chips from the South Korea, solar Y22. Okay. Yes, it's the much more brightly than the fanless cooling model.
For the low beam, right?
Yes, now it's for the low beam. Sorry, wait a moment. Okay, you can see. Yes, it's the low beam with the cut-off light. Yes, the light beam pattern is very focused, and the low beam has the perfect cutting line, and the color temperature is very pure. Yes, the natural light, like the Sunday night.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, then we show the high beam. The high beam for the refractor is used the H7. Wait a moment. I found the H7 for you. Okay.
For the high beam, right?
Yes. Okay. Okay, now we install it in the reflector, and it's for the high beam function.
Okay.
Now you see, it's for the high beam. The middle HV point is very focused, very bright. And the color temperature for our LED headlight bulbs, you can choose the color temperature from the 6,000 to 6,500 Kelvin, or if customer have a special need for the color temperature like the amber, the yellow one, yes, it's a 3,000 Kelvin or 5,700 Kelvin. We can do it for you. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. I think now customers may have, yes, much more understand for our LED steel beam headlights and our LED headlight bulbs now. And if you are interested in which models, please send a comment to us. Yes, take action. And actually for this live stream, the activity, we have the big promotion. Yes,
Vivian,
this is our big promotion, never done before.
Which kind of promotion?
Yes, I can't wait to tell you.
Okay.
And please see, this is our live coupon here. You can see the first one is the live coupon, the $300. And this coupon, if your order reached over $10,000, then we can give this $300 get back to you, reduce it to you. Yes, directly from the order amount. Yes, don't need to any other special requirements. Yes, if you order with all of our products, different products, just reach $10,000, then you can get this $300 and reduce.
Like we send the free goods for you.
Yes.
For $300 US.
Yes, and if your order amount reach the $30,000, then we can give you $1,000 return back to you. Yes, and the discount is $1,000. It's the very big promotion we never did before. Yes. So if you want to order, take the photo, screenshot, yes, and keep this coupon, the photos, and send the inquiry to us. Yes, immediately now. Yes, take the action. And then, yes, the last coupon is very big promotion coupon. You can see $50,000 the order amount. If you reach $50,000, we can give you back $2,000. $2,000 is very big. Yes. So take action now. Take the photo. Take the screenshot. Yes. And send the inquiry to us. All our products, the LED steel beam headlight, headlight bump, work light, light bar, driving light, running light, all our versions, all our different series. Yes. If your total amount reach this order amount, then we can give you the live coupon, reduce the $2,000 to you directly, immediately from the order amount.
Very big.
Yes. And you may take attention, pay attention that the
rules
coupon,
for using the coupon.
The coupon, it has the ready time. Yes. The ready time is only to the July 15th.
Yes.
Yes. So you need to take action now. It's just not so many days.
Yes.
Yes. And also the quantity for this coupon, we only offered 50 pieces. Yes. So if the finish, then we will not give you any more.
It's a big pity.
Yes, yes. So please take the action now. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I think you may be very interested in our lamps and have many different questions to ask.
Yes.
So please don't hesitate. Send us the comments. Yes. Send us the inquiry. Yes. We have the big support. Yes. Outside, our sales team will give you the fast and quickly reply as soon as possible once get your inquiry, get your comments.
Yes.
Okay.
And also, as we mentioned before, if you have any new designs want to develop for the OE project or for the OEM ODM service,
yes,
you can contact with Tuff Plus. Yes. As we mentioned in our PowerPoint, Tuff Plus has rich experiences for doing the OEM project.
Yes.
We have equipped with very professional engineers and also with professional machines for doing the AD module project and also the OE different kind of goods. The rear lamps, the fog lamps, the front lamps, built-in headlights.
Yes. From our overseas customers.
Yes.
We not only do the module projects in domestic market, but also do the OEM ODM projects from our overseas customers from all over the world. Yes, we already do this OE projects for several years. Yes, we have several years experience now. So if you have any idea for the LED headlights, fog lights, rear lights, multifunction lights, don't hesitate
to contact with us.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Vivian.
Yeah.
I think we already finished the introduction for our goods today.
Yes.
And if you have any more inquiries, you can contact with us.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for your time and attention.
Yes. Okay, see you.
See you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.